in the heart of a lush, vibrant forest, a whisper floated through the trees. It was said that three majestic creatures harbored the secrets of life itself: the lion with his thunderous roar, the rat with his unparalleled wit, and the elephant, revered for his age-old wisdom. But one question lingered above all: whose power truly reigned supreme? Our tale begins with Rani, a spirited young girl from a nearby village. One evening, as she chased fireflies under the sprawling banyan tree, Rani overheard a fierce debate between these colossal beings. Each was determined to prove their superiority, and the air crackled with excitement and tension. "This forest trembles with my roar," boasted the lion, his golden mane glinting in the soft glow of twilight. "With one sound, I command respect and fear from all who hear me." But the rat, nimble and clever, chimes in with a twinkle in his eye, but roar alone cannot find food or escape danger. It is I who knows every nook and cranny, every hiding spot amidst the roots and rocks. It is wit that helps one survive." The wise elephant, with eyes that sparkled like pools of wisdom, listened patiently, a faint smile creasing his features. "Both your gifts are indeed powerful, but don't forget, my friends, that knowledge carries weight beyond mere might and clever schemes. I understand the ebbs and flows of this forest. I see how storms may change the land, how relationships weave the fabric of life itself." As dusk gave way to night, Rani, hidden among the shadows, found herself captivated by their exchange. Inspired by their strength and intellect, she pondered, what if I could learn from each of them? The next day, she decided to approach them. With a heart brimming with courage, she stood before the mighty trio. "Great lion, wise elephant, quick-witted rat. I wish to learn your ways. Can you help me understand the true essence of your powers?" The lion, impressed by her boldness, allowed her to spend the day roaring at the towering trees. "Feel your voice reverberate through the valley, let it echo your spirit," he encouraged, as Rani discovered the thrill of unleashing her inner strength. The rat, with his playful charm, took Rani under his tiny, agile wing, leading her through secret paths, where she learned to outsmart challenges that lay in her way. "Life isn't just about strength but also about clever solutions," he squeaked, drawing laughter from Rani as she wriggled through the small spaces. Finally, in the gentle shadow of the base of an ancient banyan, the elephant shared his stories of the forest's wisdom: how seasons change, how the wind speaks, and how compassion connects every living being. "Understanding is a bridge," he said softly. "It connects hearts, allowing us to rise beyond our differences." As days turned to weeks, Rani became an amalgamation of their teachings. She rode with confidence, strategized with wit, and approached life with the wisdom of the woods. But one fateful day, disaster struck. A raging storm threatened to tear apart the serene forest community. Panic bubbled as animals scattered in fear. It was Rani who stepped forward, a soothing presence amidst chaos. "Listen," she began, her voice booming like the lion's. "We will stand together. Communication is key. Use our strengths to work as one." The rat darted in and out, guiding creatures to safer burrows, while the elephant, with his mighty strength, helped to uplift fallen branches, creating shelter for those in need. After the storm passed, the forest bore witness to an unbreakable bond, forged through collaboration rather than competition. Rani smiled at her friends, recognizing that together, they blended the roar, the wit, and the wisdom into something greater than each of them could achieve alone. And as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a golden hue across the land, a new thought settled in Rani's heart: true power lies not in outshining others, but in learning, sharing, and supporting one another. As the last light of day flickered out, she whispered to the winds, in the chorus of life, "May we all find our unique notes, resonating together in harmony." And dear listener, remember, While the lion roars, the rat thinks, and the elephant reflects, it's the connection between them that truly creates the melody of life. What role will you choose in this grand symphony?